In today's session, we are going to start about normal forms based on primary keys. That is first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, BCNF, or you can say levels of normalization. Now, as I told you, what is normalization? Normalization is the process of organizing the data in the database. Normalization, or you can say normalization, is used to minimize the redundancy from a relation or set of relations. It is also used to eliminate the undesirable characteristics like insertion, update and deletion anomalies. Normalization divides the larger table into the smaller table and links them using relationship. The normal form is used to reduce redundancy from the database scale. This is all about the normalization. Database design is the procedure of determining the content and structure of data in a database in order to support some activity on behalf of user or groups of users. Crucial to good database design is understanding the functional dependencies of all fields, recognizing the anomalies caused by data redundancy, partial dependencies and transitive dependencies when they exist, and knowing how to eliminate the anomalies. The process of identifying and eliminate anomalies is called as normalization, and the set of rules are called as the normal forms. Levels of normalization based on the amount of redundancy in the database. The database community has developed a series of guidelines, that is rules, for ensuring that databases are normalized. These are referred to as a normal forms and are numbered from 1, the lowest form of normalization, and BCNF through the next level of normalization. In short, remember that normalization is nothing but these are the rules, divides the larger table into smaller tables and links them using relationships. The purpose of normalization in SQL is to eliminate redundant data, that is repetitive data, and ensure data is stored logically. There are different types of database normal forms. Here is the list of normal forms: first normal form, second normal form, third normal form and Boyce Codd normal form, that is BCNF. Here you can see the chart, that is hierarchical structure of normal forms. There are 4 types of normal forms, as I told you earlier: first normal form, second normal form, third normal form and BCNF, that is Boyce Codd normal form. Before we proceed further, let's see few things like what is key, what is the concept name. Now we are studying about the normal forms based on the primary keys. That's why you have to know about what is the key. Already you all are aware about key and types of keys. Now we will see the definition of key. A key is a value-based value used to identify a record in a table uniquely. A key could be single column or combination of multiple columns. Here remember that columns in a table that are not used to identify a record uniquely are called non-key columns. Just you have to remember that what is key? It is a value used to identify a record in a table uniquely. What is the primary key? A primary key is a single column value used to identify a database record uniquely. It has various attributes like primary key cannot be null. Then a primary key value must be unique. The primary key values should rarely be changed. The primary key must be given a value when a new record is inserted. This is all about key and primary key. You have to know before starting the first normal form, second normal form, third normal form and BCNF. Let's start the first one, that is first normal form. Now what is first normal form? Here is the answer. A database table is said to be first normal form if it contains no repeating fields. Remember that if the table contains no repeating fields or columns, the process of converting the unnormalized table into first normal form we will see. The requirement to satisfy the first normal form. What are the different requirements? First, it should only have a single, that is atomic valued attribute or columns, no multi-value attribute allowed. Then second one requirement is values stored in a columns should be of the same domain. Next one requirement is all the columns in a table should have unique names. And the last one is the order in which data is stored does not matter. These all are the requirements to satisfy the first normal form. As per the rule of first normal form, an attribute, you can call it as a column. Column of a table cannot hold multiple values. It should hold only single value. Now what are the steps for converting a database to first normal form? There are 3 steps. Here you can see the 3 rules. First one is find and remove attributes that allow redundant and multiple values in a relation. The second one rule is about group the removed items in another type. And the third one rule is assign the new table key which is primary key of the old relation. This is all about the first normal form. What we have seen in the first normal form? What are the requirements to satisfy the first normal form, and what are the rules to apply on the first normal form? Here you can see the example of first normal form suppose first table. See the first table. Suppose a college wants to store the information about students. It creates a table that looks like this. That you can see here the first table where roll number, name, class and subject are the attributes, or you can say the columns of the table. In the given table already it satisfies 3 rules out of the 4 rules. Well, I have already told you 4 rules, as all our column names are unique. Okay, roll number, name, class, subject, these are the unique values. Okay, now we have stored the data in order we wanted to and the third one is we have not intermixed the different types of data in columns. But now what happens here? But out of the 3 students in our table, 2 students have opted for more than one subject. Are you getting that? Here in the first table there are 3 students. Okay, named as Harish, Sachin and Sujata. The classes should be second year, third year and third year. Now you see the column of subject that Harish has attended 2 subjects, DBMS and C++. Sachin attended Java and Sujata attended NMA and OS, that is Network Management Administration and Operating System. Now what I told you here, the 3 different students in our table, 2 students have opted for more than one subject and we have stored the subject names in a single column. Are you getting that? Harish opted 2 subjects, that DBMS and C++. Here that 2 subjects are placed in a single column. This table is not in first normal form as the rule says. What is the rule? Each attribute of table must have single values. The subject values for students Harish and Sujata violates the rule. That's why the second one table, see the second one table, to make the table complies with the first normal form, we should have the data like the second table, that is roll number. Harish having roll number 1 gets separated because of concept of normalization. Then Sachin having a single subject opted, that's why 3 put roll number 3 as it is, and Sujata having roll number 2 opted the subject, two subjects, that is NMA and OS. That's why again normalization concept is applied here. That's why the Harish have opted DBMS. Again the second column should be Harish has opted C++ and Sujata opted NMA and Sujata opted operating system. Likewise, the first table is not in the first normal form, but after applying the rules of first normal form, the second table is in the first normal form. Okay, in the next session we will see the second normal form, third normal form and BCNF in detail. Thank you so much.